is not the walls we see. Home is you, my family. In your arms my fears are gone. With your love I stay strong. Simple food and laughter loud. Not much money, still so proud. Every prayer we say at night keeps our little world so bright. With my family, my heart feels bright. Kids' sweet voices feel so right. Small, small joys, simple and true. Life feels easy when I'm with you. Not a palace, not so grand.